Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin where problems show, Device Manager. Press Win plus X and open Device Manager. This lists hardware and error markers. Once done, find items with a yellow triangle or labeled Unknown Device. Those are the priority. Right-click and choose Update Driver, then search automatically. This lets Windows fetch a compatible driver. Do this first because automatic updates often resolve mismatches quickly, and it saves time versus guessing driver packages. If Windows finds nothing, keep going to Manual Options in the next step. If automatic search fails, you install manually. Download the latest WHQL signed driver from the manufacturer, then in Device Manager choose Update Driver, right arrow browse My Computer, and point to the folder or in File. Windows will match and install. If a recent update caused issues, open Properties right arrow driver tab, right arrow roll back driver to revert to the previous version. This preserves stability. Make sure to pick drivers that match your exact model and 64-bit versus 32-bit Windows. Because you finish by rebooting, many driver installs need a restart to fully load. Once restarted, test the device and verify Device Manager shows no errors. Run Windows Update and any vendor update tool to catch auxiliary components. If the issue persists, uninstall the device from Device Manager, check delete the driver software for this device, then reinstall the correct driver. This clears corrupt driver files. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode and repeat the uninstall/install if normal mode blocks changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.